Hello Thya Techies, welcome back to our Dataset Deep Dive series. In this video, we are going to explore public datasets on the Thya Tech platform. These datasets are accessible by selecting the Datasets button on the left side panel and then selecting Public Datasets. Here, you will find a growing collection of high-quality annotated datasets created by the Thya Tech team and the Thya Tech community, and they're all accessible to you for use. To use a public dataset, you'll need to clone it using the copy icon that says Clone on each individual dataset panel. Cloning a dataset allows you to create a new personalized copy of each dataset that will be added in your dataset collection, which means you can find it under My Datasets. Some dataset cloning, however, might require a fee set up by the dataset owner. This fee will be deducted from your wallet during the cloning process, meaning you'll lose some credits. For example, I can choose to clone this dataset named Archaeological Sites by pressing the Clone button on the dataset panel. Once you do this, you'll receive a notification from the website indicating that the cloning process has started. It also tells you you'll receive an email once the cloning process is completed. Once the cloning process is complete, you'll be able to see your dataset under My Datasets. And here you can modify your dataset to all your specific requirements. This includes being able to add images, remove images, or re-annotate images. Furthermore, you'll be able to link your own copy of the dataset to your own projects to create an AI object detection model. Additionally, with a cloned dataset, you can also download the dataset images and annotations by selecting the Download button in the top right corner. You'll receive an email with a link to download your dataset with the annotations, but don't forget to check out your spam folder in case you think you haven't received it. Lastly, you also have the opportunity to be an active member of the Thya Tech community by making your datasets accessible for everyone to use. To do so, you need to go to the dataset you want to make public. For me, I want to make my Football Finder dataset that we used in a previous tutorial public. I'm going to select this dataset, and on the description page in the top right corner you can find a lock, right here. By clicking this icon, and then selecting Confirm in orange, your dataset will start the process of becoming public. Please note that it may take 4 to 5 days for your dataset to appear publicly, because a member of the Thya Tech team will first need to manually check the quality and approve your dataset before it is available for everyone to use. Once the check is complete, you'll be notified by email and your dataset will be public and visible on the Public Datasets tab. Thank you for watching this video on Public Datasets. I hope this information helps you enjoy the Thya Tech platform even more. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Happy analyzing.